Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's time for an unboxing video of a new device. This is a stick vacuum cleaner, also known as a wireless vacuum cleaner, and it is a Philips SpeedPro Max 8000 series, one of the best in the market. So here we go. Let's get going. So before we begin, let's check out the box. Well, it's a premium pack, nicely packed. Well, talking about this device, it has lots of features. Go. This is the main unit. So here are some warranty papers. So I need to register this vacuum cleaner online. So lots of accessories. This is the wireless charging cable with a magnet on it. So this is a mounter, wall mounter. So you can mount it on the wall with the wireless charger. A magnetic charger, indeed. So this is how you place it. Just give it a try. There we go. Alright, so it looks nice. So we have a pipe, a stick with which you can mount it on the either side. You can mount this on the vacuum cleaner, the main head. All you need to do is to assemble those three to get a better result. It's a most premium quality. There is one more accessories. So you can use this for vacuuming here. Let's get it. Let's try it on. Well, let's talk about its features. The Philips SpeedPro Max Series 8000 is not only a powerful stick vacuum, but it is also easy to maintain. The Power Cyclone 10 motor is one of the Philips' most powerful motors. At the lowest setting, you can vacuum for 70 minutes straight. And the battery can last for like 30 minutes in the turbo setting, which that's a great deal. Alright, let's check this out. The fact that the vacuum cleaner is easy to maintain is caused by two things: the motor filter, it's washable, and the display indicates when it's time to do so and when to replace the exhaust filter. The nozzle sucks up dust on all sides, and the LED light shows you exactly where all the dirt is. If you were looking for a powerful stick vacuum with which you can usually vacuum the whole house, this is the right choice for you. As you can see, it's a really premium quality vacuum cleaner with a higher backup. And so after you are done, easy to vacuum, easy to throw it away. So this is how we do it. All the dust are piled up here. You just have to throw it away in the bin. That's it. So for more information, stay tuned until the end of this video. I'll talk about the price and the discounts. Well, the actual market price is 529 euro. As you can see in the cool blue, with discount it comes like 449. Whereas in bol.com you can find it just for like 429 euros. Well, after discount 370, and also get 100 euro cash back. So which leads it to 278 euros in total. But I actually paid like 254 euros for this vacuum cleaner because I got lots of discount. So as you can see, it's really expensive in cool blue. Well, the difference in cool blue and the bol.com is around 400 euros. Sorry, around 100 euros. Well, after discount in bol.com you can get it for 378 euros, as you can see here. I have elaborated all of this, but I actually paid like 254 euros. Well, that is after getting all of the discounts. So there is a cashback of 100 euros which you will get within a month after registering it. And but still I managed to get like 5% discount in. So I had to pay like 278 euros for the gift card. So there are lots of methods to get discount, like 5% discount gift card. Normally it is provided by your working place. So for example, I have to pay 95 euros to get 100 euros worth of gift card, which means there is a 5% discount. So in this way I managed to I get 5% discount in the whole 378 euros. So which means I paid 359 euros only. And yet I used another discount code, another way to get even more discount. So I'm using a Viking mobile subscription. So in this mobile subscription you are allowed to buy on the various online platforms using the Viking site, just like this. You have to go to the Viking and you have to click the recommended online shops. So this is, if you do it like this, you will get like 1.5. They say 1.5, but you are getting actually 1.25 or something like that. So as I calculated, I got 1.25% bonus. So I bought this from this recommended site. So here I got extra biking points, which means I can my SIM, my recharge card is uploaded with extra around €4.69. So this is another way to get discount. This is extra discount. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video Okay, one more note. The 5% discount from bowl.com, you can either gauge it from your work, or maybe I don't know whether your various ways. So that's an extra information actually. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and do make sure you subscribe to my channel for the future videos. I don't just upload traveling videos, I also upload some unboxing videos, some tech videos as well, but I mostly focus on the traveling and cinematic videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the other videos on either side of this screen. Bye.